Is it time to buy or sell iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of October, 2024. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 28, 2024, our system has ranked iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.1. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often indicates a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $90.23 is breached, it will signal a stronger downward movement. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential change of negative 3.16% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 4.91% and positive 5.17%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of positive 3.84% over the next year, with a potential return ranging from positive 1.41% to positive 17.22%. This translates to an anticipated price range between $93.19 and $107.71 after a year. Our latest daily update for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as ETF downgraded to sell candidate. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price fell by approximately 0.271% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, dropping from $92.14 to $91.89. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.96%, with a day low of $91.42 and a day high of $92.29. The price has shown volatility during this period, resulting in a 2% loss over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 5 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 33 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3 billion and $30 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $101.64, while the lowest price was $83.24. Currently, the price is 9.59%, or $9.75, below the 52-week high and 48.86%, or $87.81, below the all-time high reached on March 9, 2020, when the price peaked at $179.70. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF, or TLT, is currently positioned as a strategic play amidst looming interest rate cuts in a debt-heavy market. Recent analysis suggests that despite strong gross domestic product growth, recession indicators such as rising unemployment and weakening manufacturing hours are increasingly evident. This could lead to a favorable environment for bonds like TLT, especially as economic conditions shift and the Federal Reserve considers easing rates. The recent yield trends highlight a 10-year note yield at 4.08%, with the long-term projection suggesting a decline in rates. This scenario is likely to bolster bond prices in the short term, making TLT an attractive option for investors seeking safety and potential price appreciation as rates fall. Moreover, amidst heightened volatility in the equity markets, evidenced by the S&P 500's modest losses last week, investor sentiment may tilt towards safer investments, further supporting TLT's price. In the longer term, if the Fed follows through with rate cuts, it could significantly enhance TLT's appeal, driving inflows into the ETF as more investors seek diversification and lower volatility. In conclusion, TLT is gaining traction as a preferred investment as we navigate these economic uncertainties, positioning it for advantageous performance both in the immediate future and beyond as interest rate dynamics evolve. The following signals have been identified for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MEMACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect the near short-term development. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $92.45 and $96.49. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, September 16, 2024, and so far it has fallen by 9.32%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 31 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 23 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal from 28 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under certain conditions, this exchange-traded fund may experience significant declines in the coming days. Typically, this ETF is traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed to be low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated 88 cents, or 0.96%, between its high and low. Throughout the previous week, the ETF exhibited an average daily volatility of 0.94%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond is at $95.31. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF a worthwhile investment? The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF displays several concerning indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative outlook on this ETF. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our assessment from a hold or accumulate position to a sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of October, we predict that the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF will open lower, with a decline of 0.25 of a dollar, starting at $91.87. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It's essential to avoid basing your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.